Today we'll be configuring parent-child relationships with QuickApps for SharePoint qListView web part. I'm going to walk you through the process from beginning to end. I'm on a SharePoint site. I'm actually on a web part page, and I'm going to click to add my web part. I'm going to specify that this is QuickApps for SharePoint, and we are going to add our ListView web part. We're going to click on Easy Edit to configure the web part. Let me actually go full screen if I can. So the first things first, you need to have obviously the lists somewhere in your environment, the parent and the child list, the list you want to connect together. And I happen to have them both on the same site. They don't have to be on the same site, but I happen to have both of them on the same site. So my parent record is going to be customer, and I'm going to connect the projects that I run for customers with the customers list. So the parent record will be customer, and the child record will be all projects we're working on for a specific customer. If my parent list is not on this site, I can select the list from another site and simply browse to it. Let me just show you that real quick. Browse to it and come back with the information. In my case, customer is right here. We'll click on Edit next to customer here, and then we'll browse to where we see Add Child List. We're going to click on Add a Child List. We're going to search, and we'll be looking for projects. So let me look for our projects. Here's projects, and we'll go ahead and click OK. There has to be a column on both these lists that is identical. In my case, it's customer name. Customer is identical for both. We'll go ahead and click OK. We just built a relationship, a parent and a child with a primary foreign key. Next, what we'll do is we'll configure the fields to be displayed for the parent record. So for the customer, we'll show the customer name. We'll also show the city and the state. That's good enough just to get things going. For the child records, for the projects, we'll also show just to show. You don't want to do that because you built a relationship already. But just to make sure that we have that relationship going, I will go ahead and show the customer field. But we'll also show obviously the title of the project, the start. Well, we may not have a start date, the due date. We may not even have a due date, but we'll just show some of these values in here, and then that's good enough. We'll go ahead and click Save. I can make changes obviously to the look and feel of this. I can make I like to change the skins. I like to not give the users the ability to do things in here except for exporting and printing. You can make different changes. Obviously, we do want to give it a better name. So this is Projects by Customer. And then we'll go ahead and click OK. So what we've configured is a project by customer. You're going to notice that for customer A, we are seeing all the projects, but it's really I need to put customer probably the first field. So let's quickly fix that. It's just easier to read. I can do it through the XML, but let me go back and do it right here. So we're going to change customer to number 1. It's going to make much better sense right now. So here we go. So now we have customer A. If I expand customer A, I see project A, B, G, B, C, all relating to customer A. And then from here, I can also configure what if I want to create a new item, what if I want to edit this, what if I want to edit the main record, things like that can be further configured. But this is basically how you build a basic parent-child relationship. Let me just go back and just present it differently, in just a different skin. Has nothing to do with what we've built, but maybe easier for you to kind of read. So we'll do a sunset skin. We'll do a sunset skin. Quickly, change based on your theme and layout and how you like to present information. So this is a parent-child relationship using QuickApps for SharePoint.